Good morning, dear students. Yes, in the last class, I have taught you about the Mysore division. Yes, so it has 8 districts in Mysore division. Yes, so they are the Mysore, Mandya, Hasan, Chikmagalur, Udupi, Dakshin Kannada, Chamarajanagar, and Kodagu. Yes, and also I have taught you about the history of the Mysore. Yes, so the history of Mysore, it begins with the Ganga's role, and the Talkadu was the capital of Gangas. Yes, and then after Mysore came under the rule of Cholas, Hoysalas, and Vijayanagara kings. Yes, so this is all about Mysore division. So let's see the natural resources of Mysore division. Yes, so what is the meaning of natural resources? Do you know, childrens? Yes, very good. That is the resources that was obtained by nature, that is called as natural resources. Okay, so let's see what are the natural resources available in the Mysore division. Yes, so the Mysore division, it has varied climate. Yes, and the Udupi and Dakshin Kannada districts of this division have coastal areas. Yes, so you can see here, so Udupi and the Dakshin Kannada. Yes, so Udupi and the Dakshin Kannada, these are the two districts which have the coastal areas. Yes, and since this division has coastal belt, mountain ranges, and dense forest, and the climate of this division is called rain based hot climate. Yes, so it has the coastal belt, and that's why the mountain ranges and the dense forest is there, and the climate of this division is called rain based hot climate. Yes, and the Mysore division has extreme cold climate and moderate hot climate. Yes, so it has both type of climate, that is the extreme cold and as well as moderate hot climate. Yes, and the district of Mysore and Mandya have dry climate. Is so Mysore district and the Mandya, it has dry climate. Is because of the lack of the rain, so it has the dry climate. Yes, and the district of Mysore and Manda have dry climate, and the Udupi district of this division receives the highest rainfall. Yes, and whereas the Mandya district, it receives the lowest rainfall. Yes, so Udupi, this is the coastal district of the Mysore division, so that's why it receives the highest rainfall. So whereas the Mandya district, it receives the lowest rainfall in the Mysore division. And since the division has varied climate conditions, mountain ranges and forest varieties of crops are grown here. Yes, so if you see the climate conditions of the Mysore division, so there are so many varieties of forest is there, and the climate conditions is also there, so that's why the different crops are grown here. Yes, so let's see which are the crops that grown in the Mysore division. So namely, they are the ragi, yes, and paddy, and green gram, horse gram, maize, and other crops are grown here. Yes, and also there are some commercial crops are there. So they are the coffee, sugarcane, tobacco, arecanut, cardamom, orange, cashew nuts, and others are the major commercial crops. So these are the some commercial crops which are grown in the Mysore division. Yes, and as well as the first coffee in India was cultivated in the Chikmagalur district. Yes, the first coffee. So it was cultivated in the Mysore division, Chikmagalur district. Yes. So betel leaves are grown in many parts of this division. Yes, and the Mysore division, it has rich with natural resources. So there are many types of forest in Kodagu, Dakshin Kannada, Mysore, yes, and Chikmagalur district. Yes, there are so many different types of forest which are found in the Mysore division. So they are the evergreen forest, deciduous forest. Yes, so let's see, there are some important trees. So they are the teak, sandalwood, honge, nandi, and mathi and other trees are available in the forest areas of Mysore division. Yes, and the forests of this division are known for their quality minor forest produce, like they are the honey, adhesive wild berries and others. Yes, and next, the division, it has many small and big mountains. Yes, so let's see which are the important hills of the Mysore division. Yes, so first one is Subramanya Hills is there, Himavada Gopal Swami Hill is there, and Male Mahadeshwara Hill is there, Biligiri Rangana Hill, Mullayanagiri and Kemmanagudi, Chamundi Hill, Chandragiri and Indiragiri, Apsharavani Belagwa. These are the some famous or known ones mountains of the Mysore division. Yes, and the Mysore division is known for its dense forest and also famous for its vast biodiversity. Yes, so Mysore division, it has a dense forest, and also the Mysore division, it is also famous for vast biodiversity. Yes, what is biodiversity? Yes, the biodiversity is nothing here, the different types of animals, plants are found here. Yes, that's called biodiversity. Yes, so there are so many animals are there. Yes, for example, tiger, leopard, wild dogs, deer, fox, bison, snakes and other wild animals are present in the forest of the Mysore division. Yes, and the famous, that is the Bannur ship of Mandya district is very famous. Yes, and there are some rivers is there that flows in the Mysore division. So let's see, that is the Kaveri river is there, Hemavati, Harangi, Netravati, Kumaradhara, Vedavati, Kapila, Yagachi and Gangoli. So these are the important rivers that flows in the Mysore division. Yes, and also there are so many waterfalls also available in the Mysore division. So let's see which are they. So you can observe here the Gaganachukki, Bharachukki waterfalls. Yes, that is in the Mysore division, and also Abbe waterfalls is there, Irupu waterfalls is there, and Hebbe falls is there. Okay, and let's see what are the minerals available in the Mysore division. Yes, so namely, so bauxite, felsite, chromite, limestone, manganese, granite are the major minerals available in Mysore division, and a very important mineral, that is the feldspar. It is available only in Mysore district. Yes, so the coastal districts of Udupi and Dakshin Kannada are known for their fishing and have many ports. So the coastal districts, yes, that is the Udupi and the Dakshin Kannada. These are the two coastal districts of Mysore division, and the two coastal districts are very known for the fishing and they have so many ports. Yes, and processed fish is exported in these districts. Yes, and this has become the source of income for thousands of fishermen. Yes, and Kodagu, Chikmagaluru and Mysore districts have become the center of timber trade. Yes, so there are the some districts like Kodagu, Chikmagaluru and Mysore. So these districts, they have become the they have the centers of timber trade. Yes, so this is all about Mysore division. Yes, so there is a one video related to the Mysore division. Watch that video and thank you.